Today, I'm going to show you how to import images into a Lightroom catalog. To begin with, you need to make sure that you have opened the correct catalog and that it is for the assignment you are currently working on. So up here, it currently says ISO, for that is the assignment we are currently working on. Next, you're going to take your memory card and insert it into the slot at the back of your computer. Once you insert the memory card, it should automatically read the memory card. If for some reason it does not automatically read the memory card, you can click Import. And here it shows that it is reading the memory card at this time. So I'm going to uncheck all the photographs and I'm only going to select the ones that I currently want. And next, I have to click here and hit Organize into one folder. If you do not do this, you will get the Russian doll, which is a folder within a folder within a folder, and you will not get credit for your catalog. So again, organize into one folder right here again. Next, you have to select your Google Drive. From there, you have to select the folder that matches the catalog that you're currently working on. So mine was ISO, so I need to scroll down to my ISO folder, and here it is right here. So I click on the folder and then I hit Import. Up here, you'll see a white line, and once it disappears, then it is safe to remove your memory card, and your images have successfully been added to your Lightroom catalog.